Most people are so unhappy with their lives because they don't feel like they have any control. And the way you get your control back is by controlling your time. And you're not going to be able to control your time if you're giving 8 hours a day, 40 hours, 50 hours a week to someone else to earn money, right? The only way you control your time is by, there's only really two ways. You either own a business that generates income for you, that has systems and employees that make you money, so you don't have to quote unquote go to work, or you invest in assets that produce recurring passive income. Those are the only two ways. So it's not rocket science. There's not some magic pill that's gonna give you back your time. There's only two things you can do: build a business or start investing. Now, investing takes more capital. You're gonna have to have at least 30 to 35,000 pounds to buy a buy-to-let, for example. And it's gonna take you a few years for that buy-to-let to go up in value. And then hopefully you can refinance it. It's also going to pay you passive income every year, probably around 4 to 5 grand if you find a good area up north or over in the west in Wales where I invest. So it's going to take a few years and at least 3, 4 or 5 of those to replace the average income in the UK. And that should be your plan. That's like a 5-year plan. But the question is, how do you get that initial £35,000 to buy that first buy-to-let? The way I did it was by building a service-based business for landlords, where I rent a property from them over a long term, give the property a cosmetic refurbishment, improve the perceived value, and then rent it back out for a premium to working professional tenants or short-term stay guests. And the margin between what I'm paying the landlord and the money that I get from the rent, the premium rent, minus the bills, is my profit as a business, right? And I did this over and over again back in 2018. I still do it today. And every house that I would do a rent to rent with, I would save the profit up and then reinvest it back into another until I had enough to not need to work anymore. And then I kept going, and then I started to make enough to the point where I could save 30, 35 grand a year and live off of my rent to rent business, and then use that money to invest in my own assets, right? That's how I did it. And I only started with around £6,000 in savings. I don't come from much, but I used that service to turn my £6,000 into what is now a 6-figure business. And then I used that profit from that business to invest in assets, right? So what I lacked in resources initially with that £6,000, I made up for with resourcefulness. And that's how I got myself a portfolio of buy-to-lets. And if you're watching this and you think you've only got 5-6 grand saved, you can still get started in property. You just need to create a service-based business for landlords, which is rent to rent, and turn that 5-6k into 800-900 pounds a month recurring income, which is the average amount I make per property, and reinvest that profit into more and more rent to rent deals until you replace your income, if that's in the 9 to 5, which then allows you to buy your time back. And then once you've got your time back, you should have 6-7 hours back every day, because your rent to rent business only takes a couple hours a day to run. With those 6 hours you can grow your business, improve your skills as an entrepreneur, which will then in turn allow you to grow your rent to rent business, make more money, and then if you're disciplined with the profit, you can save that money and start buying your own buy-to-lets or HMOs, some sort of property that you can rent out for a recurring income. And that's how you set yourself free, guys, and that's how you control your time, and ultimately that's how you feel happier and more content in life, because you're the one calling the shots. You're not playing to someone else's tune. You're the boss. You're the master of your own destiny. So I hope you found some value in this video, guys. If you want me to help you start or scale your rent to rent business, I'll put a link in the video description below. Click the link, book a call. On that call we'll have a chat. It's a free call, by the way, so don't worry. And if we're a good fit for each other, then we can work together. If not, that's fine too. Keep watching the videos, keep learning, keep getting inspired by my success students, and I'm sure you'll get some success. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.